Hello everyone, this is cryptoacademy.ae. In today's video, we are going to talk about Bitcoin and also altcoins. We are going to talk about XRP and Solana and the support zones as well. So in the last video, we can see that here we are approaching this resistance, diagonal resistance, and each time, guys, I noticed each time we get to resistance, people they get excited. So please don't get excited again this time. And I think once we hit this resistance, we are going to hit the other support at these levels, probably, as I said, in these levels again, which is a confluence with these order block or cluster as well. We spoke that this supply zone is actually a resistance, and if we get to these levels, we are probably going to see another reversal to these levels again. And I spoke about the 90s, which is 91 to 92k, and we have seen this rejection already from this level, which was this level. As you can see, if you zoom into this zone, we can see it started from here. Actually, we have some type of fair value gap, but without any more details, we have seen a rejection starting from these levels, and also it was a diagonal resistance. As we have seen here, each time we get to this trend line or this trend resistance, we get rejected. We have seen it here again, and also this is the third one. And now I think what we are going to see this from these levels, if we don't see some type of reaction from here and start going to go up again, I think we are going to visit this area at, as I said in the last video, from 88 to 85k. But for now, we cannot say we are going to these levels until we break this demand zone, because here we have a demand zone. Anyway, this is about Bitcoin, and what I want to say is, if we start to see something like this, for example, we start to see some type of what we call a bearish flag, and it's actually something like this. A bearish flag actually is something which is negative. If we are going in this direction and then we start in a move, corrective move like this, we call it a bearish flag. And in a bearish flag, usually we continue to go even lower after that, but for now we don't know yet until this bearish flag gets confirmed. And by confirmed, I mean we break down from these levels, then we retest it. It will be as a resistance and we continue down. It's always a retest, then a confirmation. So this is about Bitcoin. I think if we don't reverse from these levels, 92 to 90k, I think we are going lower. We are going probably to visit the 87k, sorry, and from there, if we don't hold as well, this is our last, let's say, support. But if we lose the 74k at these levels, I think for me it's a game over, guys. I think we are in a deep bear market already, so hopefully we don't lose these level at 74k. So if we lose this 74k, it's just like, I think it's just doomsday, and from there I don't think we are going to talk too much about any of this, because from there everything will be clear. So let's just jump now to XRP and see what we can see. So actually XRP on the 4 hours time frame, it lost this support. It has been holding for a long time. Actually also here it was a support as well, and actually what happened here is some type of consolidation. This was your manipulation or whatever you want to call it, then the expansion. Now you're retesting again this support, but now as we see that we break down, and what we are expecting now, maybe we get a push back to these levels at the $2.04, then from there another rejection, we continue down. I don't think that we are going to break out again from these levels. No, I think from here, if we even get the type of retracement, I think from here we are going to continue down. And this is, guys, for XRP, and you can apply this actually on many altcoins. For example, if we go to Solana, as I said, let's just go to Solana. So this is Solana on the daily. I don't know if you used to follow me on the previous channel before, but Solana, I've been telling you that the best entry for Solana was at $80. We only got this, as you can see, this swing low here at $80, and from there we just kept this level around $120. We just dumped one time. It was a crash everywhere in the market. Solana was among those coins, and we drop to $95. But I think this time, if we don't hold again these level, which is at 120, as I said, you are going to go again as low as these levels. 95, it doesn't hold, yeah, $80. So I think $80 is the best interesting area, I would say, for people who want to buy Solana at these levels and to wait for some type of reversals again to test this huge support, which will be eventually a resistance if we break down. So I think if we get some type of movement like this, we will expect some type of rally or relief, then we will continue down. But from here to here, I think it's around 50% move. Yeah, around 50% move. You can get 50% move like this. But for now, I cannot tell you that like the alt season is just right around the corner until Bitcoin confirms this. So yeah, Bitcoin, I think we're still bearish. Other coins also, they will follow, and it depends on the Bitcoin dominance, as I said before. But I think if we can see a huge crash in Bitcoin, of course altcoins will bleed as well. So I don't want to make this video long. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, and check out all the links that we have in the description. Have a good one.